Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Social Scale channel where we dive deep into the latest trends in digital marketing. Today, we're talking about something big, something that's changing the way people search online. It's the rise of voice search and how you can optimize your content for it. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, still half asleep, and instead of typing on your phone, you simply say, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" Or maybe you're driving and need directions, so you just ask, "Siri, where's the nearest gas station?" Voice search is becoming a huge part of our daily lives. The rise of voice search. So why is voice search growing so fast? Well, for starters, it's just easier and faster than typing. Studies show that by 2025, over 50% of all online searches will be done through voice. That means if your website, content, or business isn't optimized for voice search, you're leaving money on the table. With the rise of smart speakers like Amazon Echo, Google Nest, and Apple HomePod, people are asking more and more questions through voice search. And here's the thing, voice searches are very different from traditional text searches. Instead of short, fragmented keywords, people are using full sentences and natural language when they speak. This means businesses and content creators need to rethink how they structure their online presence. Another reason for the rise of voice search is the increasing reliance on mobile devices. More than ever, people are using voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant on their smartphones while multitasking, whether they cooking, driving, or even exercising. The convenience factor is undeniable, and as technology improves, voice recognition is becoming more accurate and reliable. Voice search is also heavily influencing e-commerce. Studies show that more consumers are using voice search to find products, compare prices, and even place orders. This trend is shaping the future of digital marketing, making it essential for businesses to adapt and optimize their content accordingly. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to optimize your content for it. How voice search works. Before we jump into the strategies, let's quickly understand how voice search works. When someone types a search like "best pizza near me," they might just write "best pizza NYC." But when they use voice search, they're more likely to say, "Where can I find the best pizza in New York City?" Notice the difference? Voice searches are longer, more conversational, and often framed as questions. Because of this, Google and other search engines use AI and natural language processing to understand what users really mean. This is why your content needs to be structured in a way that answers these voice queries. Another key difference is that voice searches tend to be more intent-driven. When people type a search, they might just be browsing, but when they ask a question through voice search, they often want an immediate answer or solution. That's why businesses must ensure their content provides clear, direct, and relevant responses. Additionally, context matters in voice search. Devices like Google Assistant use location data, browsing history, and even user preferences to deliver the best results. This means local businesses and service providers have a huge opportunity to appear in voice search results if they optimize properly. Understanding how voice search works is the first step in leveraging it for your digital strategy. Up next, we'll discuss how you can optimize your content to rank higher in voice search results. How to optimize for voice search. All right, now that you understand why voice search is important, let's get into the action steps. How you can optimize your content for voice search. Step 1. Focus on conversational keywords. First things first. Traditional keywords won't work as well for voice search. Instead, you need to use long-tail conversational keywords. For example, instead of targeting digital marketing tips, optimize for "what are the best digital marketing tips for beginners?" Notice how this sounds more like something someone would actually say out loud. A great trick is to use tools like Answer the Public or Google's People Also Ask section to find common questions people ask. This will help you create content that directly answers those queries. Another approach is to think about how people naturally ask questions. Instead of keyword stuffing, focus on phrases that mirror real conversations. People using voice search are more likely to phrase their queries in a complete sentence, rather than typing in short fragments. So, try to incorporate who, what, when, where, why, and how questions naturally into your content. Step 2. Optimize for featured snippets. Next, let's talk about featured snippets. Ever notice those quick answer boxes that appear at the top of Google search results? Well, voice assistants often pull answers from these snippets when responding to voice searches. So, if you can get your content featured there, you're much more likely to be the answer to someone's voice query. To increase your chances of getting featured, use clear and direct answers to common questions. Structure content in a Q&A format. Use bullet points and lists for easy readability. Keep answers short. About 40-50 words works best. Think about how people expect voice assistants to respond. If someone asks, "How do I optimize for voice search?" they want a quick, clear answer. That's why structuring your content to provide direct, easy-to-understand responses increases your chances of ranking in voice search results. Step 3. Improve your local SEO. Did you know that a huge percentage of voice searches are local searches? Think about it. When people ask things like, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" or "What's the best Italian restaurant near me?" they're usually looking for local businesses. To optimize for local voice search, make sure your Google My Business listing is up to date. Include location-based keywords in your content. Use phrases like "near me" or "in your city." Collect and respond to customer reviews, since Google values businesses with good ratings. Many voice searches are performed while people are on the go. They're using their phones to find directions, business hours, or recommendations. That means your local SEO strategy must be strong to appear in these searches. A quick tip: create content specific to your location. Write blog posts like "The best coffee shops in Los Angeles" or "Top 5 Italian restaurants in New York City." This improves your chances of ranking when people use voice search to find local businesses. Step 4. Ensure your website is fast and mobile-friendly. Voice searches often come from mobile devices, so your website needs to be fast and mobile-friendly. Google has confirmed that page speed is a ranking factor, and if your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, visitors might leave before they even see your content. Here are a few quick tips to boost your site speed. Optimize images and compress files. Use a fast web hosting provider. Minimize unnecessary code. Enable browser caching. Mobile friendliness is critical for voice search. If someone clicks on your site and it's difficult to navigate on a mobile device, they'll leave. Use responsive design to ensure your website looks great and functions well on all screen sizes. Step 5. Use structured data markup. Lastly, let's talk about structured data markup. This is a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Structured data is special code you add to your website to help search engines understand your content better. To implement structured data, use schema, org markup for better visibility. Mark up important details like business name, address, phone number, and reviews. Test your markup using Google's Rich Results Test tool. Structured data helps Google deliver more precise and relevant answers in voice search results. For example, if someone asks, "What are the store hours for Joe's coffee shop?" structured data ensures your business information is accurately displayed. Bonus tip: create FAQ pages. Since voice searches are question-based, a great strategy is to create an FAQ, frequently asked questions, page on your website. Answering common industry-related questions in a structured format makes it more likely that your content will be featured in voice search results. Use natural language when writing questions and answers. Make answers concise but informative. Include common customer concerns related to your industry. For example, if you run a fitness blog, your FAQ page might include, "What's the best workout for weight loss? How long should I exercise each day? What are the benefits of strength training?" By answering these questions directly, you increase your chances of appearing in voice search results. Wrapping up, why voice search optimization matters. The world is shifting toward a hands-free, voice-driven experience, and businesses that adapt early will stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or a digital marketer, optimizing for voice search will help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your site. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways. Use conversational keywords to match natural speech patterns. Optimize for featured snippets to increase voice search visibility. Improve local SEO to capture local voice searches. Ensure your website is fast and mobile-friendly. Use structured data markup for better search engine understanding. Create FAQ pages to provide clear, direct answers. Now, it's time to take action. Start implementing these strategies today and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest digital marketing trends. See you in the next video.